my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
What's he doing? What's going on there?
Fear Factor right here on San Diego 6 in the morning. Ruben, have you lost your mind?
Big cockroaches, but nothing this big. Take a look for yourself. Oh my gosh, what'd you say, Henry?
It's in your shirt.
I don't even want to look. Hey guys, look, we're here live at SeaWorld, getting ready for this year's Shamu and You Family Walk taking place this Saturday, benefiting Rady Children's Hospital, and our friends are here. Now, coming up at 8:30, I gotta tell you, we're gonna get to more of these guys and also get some reaction from the folks who are gonna be joining us for the big walk, and tell us exactly why this is so important. Look at that camera and encourage everyone to come on down on Saturday.
Guys, come show your support for one of the greatest causes here in San Diego and help Henry and I raise a lot of money for hemophilia, other blood disorders, and just Rady Children's Hospital in general. Please, come on down.
Good stuff. All right. So, my last question. Do you want a cockroach?
No, thank you.
All right, no thank you. We'll leave it at that. All right. We'll leave it up to the animal trainers a little bit later on. Here live at SeaWorld, getting ready for this year's Shamu and You Family Walk. Register now. Go to san diego6.com where you can find all the information. Back to you in the station.